I hope you're well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Saturday afternoon. I'm just sat here on my laptop because I need it for this video, and my cup of tea that Jack just made me in my favourite mug. And I wanted to film a super exciting video. Let me just check where my address is. Unbagging boxing from BrandAlley. And I've also got a kind of like a BrandAlley haul. So I have showed some of these things in my channel before, but I basically have got quite a few things from them. I will be honest now and say they were all gifts. But I basically just started working with them, and honestly, I'm in shock at how amazing they are. And if you like designer items and you don't like if you like designer items and you don't like paying full price, then you definitely should check them out. I'm definitely one of those people, like if it's something I really like and I know that I like it could sell out, or I'm not willing to wait, then I definitely will just get it there and then. But I'm definitely someone who likes to wait for a discount, especially when it comes to some brands that I know that usually go into discount, like Chloe. Like I love Chloe items, don't get me wrong, but unless I really love it, I'll wait for a discount code for one of my favourite sites, or I'll wait for it to go to Bicester Village or the BrandAlley or the Outnet and stuff. And there are some amazing brands on BrandAlley. Like I always in my mind thought of it as somewhere that just did, like, I don't know what, I just never really looked at it properly before, and they actually have all the designers that I shop at. They have Givenchy, Balenciaga, Chloe, they have like Dior sunglasses, they have all of their high street brands too. They have like Mango, and they have like American Vintage, Reese, Ted Baker, so you can literally get pretty much anything you want. They have like Ray-Bans, and it's all things that I personally would say are like current stock. So I was really shocked to see half the things on there. So I'm gonna stop blabbering and show you the unboxing. But if you haven't already, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. I do 2 videos a week on fashion and styling, and pretty much probably more than 2 because I've just filmed like 6 videos this week. And I've also got some backed up on like bridal things, and I know I want to film one next week because I'm going shopping at H&M with the PR team, so I definitely want to film that so that I can show you guys what I get. So just keep your eyes peeled, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so you don't miss anything, because there's going to be a lot going on. So I've got a big old bag here. I've got 2 items in here, but I think they've securely packaged it. So I had to do, basically when I pick my items from them, I have to be really, what happens is they have limited stock of everything because it's obviously a sale. How it works, okay, let me show you what it's like. It's a sale website, so they have 2 parts to the website. So it's part of it is like the outlet, where they have an outlet and they have like stock on there, and there's more stock in those items. And then part of it is a bit like secret sales, so where you have limited time to shop, and it'll be a sale on a certain brand or a certain like style, like summer bags, and they'll have like like a time sale. So they have like time sales, and they also have the outlet, so that you can shop in 2 different ways. And I think the time sales are like really good bargains, but so are the outlet, so kind of good to look in both. But I just thought I'd let you know how they work. So you guys would probably guess that it is a Chloe bag. Oh, I've just come to think, Chloe. This is the little bag. I'm obsessed with little bags, so always little bags. Also, look, it comes in a dust bag, and they like put it in a box. I don't know if that's something that I got because it's a PR gift, or if they do that for everyone, so I can't really tell you. But if you buy Chloe from the store, it just comes in a dust bag. Like, you never get them in a box anyway. She is beautiful. Oh my god, I'm in love. So this is a Chloe Faye day bag, and as you guys know, I'm obsessed with Chloe, and I actually have the Chloe Faye backpack, the Chloe Faye mini, and the Chloe Faye medium. So this is like the only Chloe Faye that I don't have, so I was like, I need it. And I love the embroidered detail, I love the nude colour, and honestly, like, I've never really seen this in store before. I love that it's got a long strap too. I didn't realise it had that, and it's got a really good size grab handle. Like, you can put your arm through it and it won't be tight, because sometimes they have small handles that are like that, and it's like really annoying. Such a good size too. I'd definitely be able to fit my camera in there, everything I need. Ooh. Oh, it's like a little hook. It goes like under and over. So I was in a trip actually to Istanbul like 3 months ago maybe, and I was with Amy Nez, who I love, and she's actually got YouTube as well, so you should check her out. And she had this bag, and I was like, oh my god, I'm in love with that bag. Where did you get it from? And she was like, I got it from BrandAlley. So I've been stalking this bag anyway, and then they got in touch with me about working together, and I was like, oh my god, the secret literally is working its magic. And yeah, so this strap is actually detachable. I'm so in love. You guys know how much I love Chloe bags, so you'll be seeing this all over my Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want to see me styling it up. So this is the Chloe Pearl Beige Mini Faye Double Carry Bag. Those are the exact words that they've described it as. And originally it was £1,295, and it's reduced by 26%, which is amazing. And so it's £959, and I'll see if you can buy it full price too, because if you really like it, then you could probably just go and buy it. So I'll see if it's on any websites where you can buy it full price too, in case you don't want to wait. And they also have it in a big size too, so they have the small one and they also have the big one. Both of them are out of stock at the moment, but as I said, I will link them both below, and if you can get to the website then you can order it for yourself. And at the moment they also have the Chloe Drew bag, the one with the chain that's like a bit shorter, and it has the same kind of quilting on it as this, but in black. And they also have lots of Chloe sunglasses, so I'm just looking at the website now. It's very worth checking it out if you love Chloe. Okay, so the next thing I got, you guys already know, I just said, so you might have forgotten what I just said, is a pair of shoes. And these are going to be great for summer because they are her Espadrille. And these are from a brand called Les Puna London, and I've never heard of them before, but they were majorly reduced from £90 to just £39, so that's 59% off, 57% off, which is amazing. And they are really soft leather, and they're like a black simple espadrille, and they'll go so many outfits. And I really like these two because they're not too high. But I feel like a lot of espadrilles can be kind of platforms, and I'm not really someone who wears really high shoes. I have actually got a pair of castanhas, but they're like red, so they are really nice, but I feel like a pair of black ones just will go with everything and like not go out of style. So before I go, I wanted to tell you and show you a few more things that I've got from the website so that I can like really show you just how amazing the deals are. So the first thing is a gift that I got for my birthday from BrandAlley. They actually were sending me another item that I'm going to show you, and then in with the item they put this in, and it's literally the cutest thing, and it is a little card holder from Aspinal, and it was just so thoughtful of them, and I just think it's such a nice gift. And I think it's actually navy, not black, and it's got like gold Aspinal in it, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little holes, and it's like pebbled leather. It's really cute and such a great gift idea, and I always think Aspinal things are such great gifts. And also I think that you don't have to have bought the item from the actual Aspinal store to get it personalized. So you could get this for someone as a gift and then go into store and get it personalized, having got it on a reduced reduced website, which is amazing. But I just checked, and this exact one isn't actually on the website at the moment, but they do have one really similar, but with that Aspinal crest on it and not pebbled leather, smooth leather, and it's £19, which is insane. Like, can you even believe that you can get an Aspinal card holder for £19? Like, that's such a good gift idea, honestly. I feel like I'm gonna get my dad one for his birthday or Father's Day or something. Like, that's insane. And they also have Aspinal like planners for like £99, and they have Aspinal bags and things too, but like Aspinal passport holders for 50% off, so £25. It's like amazing, honestly. You should definitely check it out for gifts. One of the items they were sending me was this American vintage cardigan, which I haven't actually had a chance to wear yet, which I'm really sad about, just because I was going, literally I came back for like 3 days for my birthday in between trips, and then it's just been madness. But I am so excited to wear this. I might actually take it on my next trip because I'm going to California, and I feel like this will be so cute with summer dresses. It's really like Cali vibe, especially because it's from American Vintage, and I've honestly loved American Vintage for so long, and I always see my friend Annabelle wearing it, and always I'm like, I want some American Vintage for myself. But it is quite expensive, not that that's wrong, because it is really good quality. There's nothing wrong with it being that price, but maybe you can't afford to spend that much money. So I wanted to tell you about it because this cardigan is meant to be £165, and it was £41. £41 for a £165 cardigan. It's actually back on stock now. It wasn't in stock last time I checked, so it's definitely worth, if you like something and it goes out of stock, starring it, because they do get repeat stock sometimes, even though I wouldn't rely on it. If you do like something, you have to get it quick, but if it is sold out, star it, keep it in your favourites tab, and whenever you remember, just keep refreshing the page because it might come back. And then last but most certainly not least is the first thing that I got from them, which is this amazing Balenciaga bag. It's so cool, I love it. It's got this Balenciaga branding on it, and I honestly have loved these bags for so long. I keep seeing them on some of my favourite people like Lissy, who I love, and I just think they look really cool and like edgy. I probably wouldn't pay full price for it though. It's one of those things that I would have waited to see if it went into a kind of outlet and stuff. Obviously I was very kind of gifted it in the end, but I actually really love this, and I've been wearing it quite a lot actually, and I think like it's such a perfect summer bag. And this is £525 on BrandAlley, close to £745 in the stores, and that's 30% off, which is amazing. Like, I just can't get over that. That's such a good deal. And this is obviously, also this looks really cool as a bum bag. So like you can kind of like play it and put it in different ways. But yeah, it's such a good bargain, and they have it in all different colours. They had it like silver, blue, red and black. And they also have some other Balenciaga bags like with a smaller logo if you don't want something so out there. They had the Balenciaga card holders, and one other thing that they have from Balenciaga, which I was like, can't believe that's there, whoa, I've wanted one of those for years, is the Balenciaga classic shopper, like the city bag, you know, the one with like the studs and the tassels and things. They have one in cobalt blue with the amazing Balenciaga branded with like the writing on its strap, and that's at 28% at £869. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'm not gonna blabber on for any longer. I hope you like my new handbag. Let me know what you think. Have you shopped at BrandAlley before? I would love to hear your thoughts. And have you got any other designer outlet stores that you think are amazing and that I need to check out? Leave them in the comment section below. I will link everything here in the description below. Sorry about the light, it's really like rainy today, so it keeps being like really dull and really bright. So I'm like literally either a shadow or bright as the night. No.
Bright as a night. Bright as a night.
Night.
Bright as the night. Oh, jeez. I'm as bright as the night.
Oh for God's sake, I'm bright as the night again. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit notifications. Let me know what you think to my new Chloe bag. I'm going to do my handbag collection really soon. I know I keep saying I'm going to do it, but I actually am, especially now I've got my new baby. I love her so much. I'm definitely going to take her with me to Malibu. She's going to be in my Malibu bag. Malibu baby, Malibu bag. And yeah, so leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about my new bag. Let me know if you've shopped at BrandAlley before. I would love to hear. Also, do you have any amazing discount sites that are like your top secret that I might not know about? Because I really want to hear about them. They could be high-end or high street, because this one obviously has high street too. They have like mango and stuff for like £10. It's unreal. And let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ever bought from BrandAlley before. Let me know if you're gonna. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.